Good night, teacher.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
It's good to see you. How's everything? How are you doing, David?
Listen.
Yeah, I think you can listen. How are you doing, Barbara?
Fine.
Fine.
Long day, uh, but fine.
Are you okay?
Yes, I do.
Okay, it's good to hear that. Gladys.
Good night, teacher.
Good
How are you
night.
today? How are you
Very
today?
well, thank you. Could you get into the
Okay.
WhatsApp group?
Yes.
Nice.
Welcome.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Very happy con todos.
Okay, great to hear that. How are you doing, Chris? Hi. How's everything, Misael? How's everything? How are you doing?
Fantastic. Thanks.
Fantastic. That's great to hear that. Okay, for today, we're going to finish the section number 7. We finished today, so I hope that you are done with all the exercise in the platform. So for today, we're going to make a review about yesterday's class, and also we are going to take a look to the reading. You were supposed to watch the reading in the platform, okay? So we will start with the review. Let's see, I have this document here that is going to be useful to start with today's class. Okay, there we are with this document. Okay, as you can see, there is and there are, which is what we were practicing yesterday. Yesterday we were studying this, the use of there is, remember, for singular, and there are for plural. Then you can use the articles a or an, or you can use some or any. Okay, for affirmative or positive statements, we have these examples. For singular noun, we can say, for example, there is a table. There is some water. For plural, there are 2 books, or there are some books. Okay.
There are some books.
You can say there are some books, or you can say the number. If it's possible to say a number, you can use numbers too. Okay.
There is.
For negative statement, you say there isn't. For example, if it is singular, there isn't a table, or there isn't any water. For plural nouns, you say there aren't 2 books, for example, or there aren't any books.
Any book. Positive.
Okay, and then you can ask questions too.
There is.
El any es para plural y negativo, entonces.
El any lo puede usar en singular y en plural. Como usted ve aquí, puede decir there isn't any water o there aren't any books. El any se usa en oraciones negativas y también en preguntas. Y lo puede usar para singular o plural. Is there any other question? ¿Tienen alguna otra pregunta con esto? No questions?
A question.
No questions. Okay, so we can continue. You can ask questions, just no questions with this structure. You use first the verb to be. Van a usar para hacer preguntas, pueden usar primero el verbo to be. Is si es un singular y are si es plural de lo que vamos a preguntar. Is there a table? Por ejemplo, is there a table?
Yes.
Y van a dar respuestas cortas, donde dice short answers. You can say, yes, there is, or no, there isn't. For example, I can ask Barbara, is there a TV in your kitchen? Is there a TV in your kitchen?
No, not there. There isn't.
No, there isn't. Excellent. Gladys, is there a sofa in your living room?
Yes, yes.
Yes, there is.
There is. Yes, there is.
Okay. Is there a Mary? Hi, Mary, can you hear me?
Yes.
Mary, are there any chairs in your dining room? Are there any chairs in your dining room?
Yes, there are.
Yes, there are. Okay, good, excellent. So you see, you can ask questions too. También se pueden usar, hacer preguntas usando esta estructura. Primero is o are, dependiendo, ¿verdad? Luego there y luego el complemento. Is there a table? Is there any water? Are there two books? Are there any books? Eso es para hacer preguntas y las respuestas cortas serían yes, there is para singular o no, there is en singular negativo. Plural, yes, there are o no, there aren't. Okay. Are you writing this? Están escribiendo, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Ok, les daré tiempo para que copien. Y luego seguimos. Finished?
I finish. Yes.
Okay. Let's look at this picture. And let's repeat this vocabulary that we have here. We have vocabulary about things. Do you know the meaning of things?
Cosas.
Yes, cosas. So we can say between this vocabulary, we can use shirt, poster, book, cards, plane, apples, lemonade, ball, curtain.
Curtain.
About furniture,
Furniture.
bed, table,
Table.
chair, shelf, cupboard, window, wall.
Cover. Window. Wall.
And the prepositions that we already know. In, on, under, in front of, behind, between,
Behind.
above, and
Above.
next to.
Next to.
Do you have any question about the vocabulary?
No.
What means
Above in Spanish.
Above in Spanish es como sobre algo. Sobre, pero como decir pendiente, no sobrepuesto.
Mhm.
Por ejemplo, podemos decir que almohada se dice pillow, ¿verdad? Pillow. Yo puedo decir, there is a poster above the pillow.
ah,
Es como decir arriba de, arriba,
Cupboard.
sobre, arriba.
Cupboard. Cupboard.
Above. Ujú.
Above.
Between.
Is there any other question?
Between.
chill? What
Between es cuando decimos entre dos cosas.
Between.
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 Yo de eso de las preposition, sí tengo varias preguntas. Por ejemplo, above, o es el mismo about.
Este que está acá, above,
Above.
es sobre, arriba de, sobre, arriba, como si.
Así.
Ujú.
and what means chill?
Esta, shirt or shelf.
S.
Camisa.
Acá donde tengo el puntero, shirt.
Yes.
Shirt es una camisa.
Ah, ok.
Una camisa.
Camisa,
Gracias.
shirt.
Shelf.
Shirt.
No, la otra, shelf.
Esta en
Otra.
furniture, esta, shelf.
¿Sí?
Shelf es esto, una repisa.
¿Cuál es?
Esto, una repisa.
Shelf. Ah, shelf.
Shelf, ajá, shelf. Ujú.
Wall.
Wall es un muro, el muro, la pared. Wall.
¿Cuál?
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's give short answer to these questions. For example, the first question, is there a shirt on the shelf?
On the shelf.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there
Yes, there is. Uh-huh.
Yes, there is.
Are there any cards under the table?
Yes, there are.
Yes,
there
they are. Yes, there are.
On.
Under the table?
No. No.
No,
Are
there
there
aren't.
aren't.
Ajá, porque dice under. ¿Qué significa under?
Sorry.
Oh,
Debajo de la mesa.
Debajo. Ajá. Under significa debajo.
Are there on
Ajá, y los carritos están sobre, ¿verdad? Okay. How many apples are there on the chair? How many apples are there on the
two
chair?
apples.
Two apples.
Yours.
There are two apples.
There are two apples.
There are two apples. What is there in the cupboard? What is there on the cupboard? ¿Qué hay en la alacena? What is there in the cupboard?
To
A ball.
There
There
are
are
sodas and
There is a ball.
melon.
There is a bowl and there are two
There are
sodas.
sodas.
Mhm. Okay, let's do the next exercise. Now that we have this vocabulary and that we have reviewed yesterday's class, we are going to go to the next exercise. Mhm. Okay, let's remember furniture in a room. Okay, we have reviewed this. We're going to be practicing these questions that we studied there in the vocabulary. So what you have there, what room is this? What is the name of this room?
Bedroom.
Aha, it's a bedroom. Let's see, what is there?
Poster.
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 Curtain.
Flag.
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 a pillow.
Bedroom flag poster. Curtain.
Mhm.
Curtain.
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 Curtain. Mhm.
Wall.
Wall. Mhm. Cabinet.
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 A cabinet. Mhm.
Can.
Cabinet. So we have a flag, a poster, cabinet, curtain.
Curtain.
Mhm.
Bed.
Pillow.
The pillows. Mhm.
Pillow.
That is some of the vocabulary that we can use here. Okay. Let's see the next one. This is the living room.
Living room.
Uh-huh.
Television.
Television.
There is a TV,
The table.
the coffee table,
Coffee table.
Table.
Sofa.
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 Armchair.
Uh-huh. There are some.
Carpet, teacher.
The carpet,
The carpet.
carpet. Uh-huh. What else
¿Cómo se dice alfombra?
Carpet.
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 Ajá,
Carpet.
es
Carpet.
como cubre todo el piso. Se dice okay, this is the study room. In the study room, we have a desk,
Studies, desk,
computer,
Armchair.
armchair,
armchair,
bookcase, a cupboard,
football, cupboard,
A picture.
Picture.
Shelf.
A shelf.
Vase. Son los floreros, ¿verdad? Vase.
Pero, base.
Vase.
Computer.
Lamp.
Ajá.
Lamp.
There is a lamp. A picture. A cupboard. Bookcase. Okay, this is the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Table.
We have a table.
Oven.
Oven.
Kitchen. Table.
Pantry.
The
Pantry.
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 Cupboards.
Cupboard.
Las alacenas del
Cupboard.
pantry. A cupboard. We have a sink.
Store. Store.
The stove. The fridge.
Stool.
The stove. Ajá, you can
Stool.
find
Banquito.
it. The banquito, the stools.
Stool.
Yeah, the stool. Good.
Lamp. The lamp.
Lamp. What else? There are 2 lamps.
Chair.
There are 2 lamps. There are 2 chairs. There are some curtains.
Some curtain.
Curtain.
Okay, this is the
Bathroom.
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 In the bathroom, you can find a bathtub.
Bathroom. Mirror. Mirror.
This is a vase, a florero, a vase. Shelf.
Shelves.
Trash. Trash. ¿Cómo se dice? Basurero. Trash.
Bin.
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 Mirror. Window.
Mirror. Toilet.
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 ¿Qué palabra es el toilet?
Toilet. Es el retrete.
Retrete.
Ajá.
Este para lavarlo. Este para lavarlo.
Rug.
Rack.
Toilet. Rug.
Have a rug, vase, bathtub, basin, bin, mirror, toilet, shelves.
Rug.
La window no le pusieron window.
Okay.
Es para sauna.
For you to watch this picture and say sentences about this picture.
Sauna. No.
Pictures and make sentences. Affirmative and negative statements. Hagan oraciones afirmativas y negativas acerca de lo que ven en la picture.
Sauna.
¿Es una casa o una sala o qué es?
Ese es como es un baño o puede ser que sea un spa.
Ok, thank you.
No hay la indicación. 6 preguntas.
Van a hacer oraciones. Oraciones nada más. En esta picture vamos a practicar oraciones. Oraciones afirmativas y negativas. Por ejemplo, puedo decir que no hay un retrete ahí. There isn't a toilet in the picture. There are, puedo decir que hay algunas toallas. There are some towels. O puedo decir que hay 3 toallas. There are 3 towels. Otra oración negativa que puedo hacer acerca de esto. There isn't o there aren't. Dependerá de lo que quiera expresar. Quiero decir que no hay... ¿qué es lo que no hay aquí? No veo floreros. Sí, aquí hay uno. There is a vase. No veo un sofá. No veo armchair. There isn't any armchair. Tienen que hacer al menos 5. 5 afirmativas y 5 negativas. ¿Ready? Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, let's listen to some volunteers. Affirmative statements. What do you see, Misael?
Okay, sure. There is a TV.
There is a TV.
There is a mirror.
Mm-hmm.
There are some lamps. There are some towels. There is a cabinet.
All right, excellent job. The negative statement. A volunteer for a negative statement? Negative? Chris. Thank you so much, Chris.
Yes, there isn't a chairs.
There isn't a chair.
Yes, there aren't tools. There isn't a refrigerator. There isn't any closet. There aren't any curtains.
Okay, excellent job, Chris. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Now, in this picture, we're going to ask questions. For example, I can ask you, is there a sofa in the picture?
No, there
Isn't.
No, there isn't. Mhm.
Is there a lamp in the picture?
Yes, there are 2 lamps.
Very good.
is a book in the bookcase.
Are there any books in the bookcase? Let's write at least 5 questions. Escriban 5 preguntas. Is there, are there? Questions. Ahora vamos a practicar questions. Finished? Okay, Misael, have you finished your questions or you have a question?
Just finish my question.
Okay, you finished. Can you ask one of or all of your questions to your classmates?
Okay.
You can select a classmate and ask the question.
Okay. Chris.
Chris?
Are there any curtain in the picture?
Yes, there are some pictures.
There are some curtains. Yes, there are some curtains.
Yes.
Okay, good. Very good, Chris. Ask another question, Misael.
Okay. David.
Okay, David.
Hola, hola.
Is there any lamp in the picture?
Yes, there are some lamps.
Yes, there are some lamps. Okay, good. Thank you, Misael. Another volunteer to ask questions? Please. Please, ask 2 questions to some of your classmates.
Okay. Andrea?
Andrea. Ready, Andrea?
Are there some lamps?
Yes.
Yes, they are.
Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are 2 lamps.
2 lamps.
Okay, good job. Now, Andrea, can you ask some of your questions?
Estela.
Yes.
There are some books.
Are there some books?
Are there some books?
Yes, they are some books.
Okay, good. Marisol. Marisol, do you want to ask questions to your classmates?
I think.
Okay, Marisol, ask your questions.
Are there some stairs in the picture?
To whom your question? Select one classmate and ask the questions.
A Bárbara. Para Bárbara. Para Bárbara.
Okay,
Are
Barbara.
there some stairs in the picture?
Yes, there are.
Okay, good.
There.
Okay, good job. Now, I'll give you time for you to ask questions about your classmates, right? You can ask at least 5 questions. Prepare 5 questions. Preparen 5 preguntas que les gustaría hacerles a sus compañeros de clase. Por ejemplo, is there a TV in your bedroom? ¿Hay una televisión en tu cuarto? Is there a TV in your bedroom?
No, there isn't.
No, there isn't. Or yes, there is. It will depend, right? Prepare 5 questions. Preparen 5 preguntas que les gustaría hacerle a sus compañeros. Okay? Is there, are there, use some and any too. Five questions you would like to ask to your classmate. For example, other, it can be, is there a bathtub in your bathroom?
Teacher.
Yes?
How do you say chimenea?
Chimney.
Chimney. Okay, gracias.
You say chimney.
Cinco preguntas son, ¿verdad, teachers? Ya finish. Ese está bueno. 5 questions.
Are you ready? Or you
Ready.
have questions?
Ready.
Okay, now that you are ready, I'm going to assign you in group sections. So you can ask your questions to your classmates, okay?
Okay.
You will practice a little bit speaking with your classmates. Ask the question to your classmates. I'm going to assign you in groups.
Uy, ya sé.
Okay, there you go. Click on join so you can practice with your classmates.
Join, join, join. Hola.
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 Yes, Andy?
Yes. Yes, there is a rat in the bedroom.
Okay.
Okay. I have
Barbara,
one question.
ask the question. Barbara.
Yo hago la pregunta.
Yes.
Is there a dog in, perdón, is there a carpet in the living room? David?
No, no
¿Para qué?
there isn't. No, there isn't a carpet in the living room. I have one
Ya
question.
terminamos.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Hello, finish your practice?
Yes, it is.
Okay, well done. You did a good job. Excellent. Okay, so for today, you just have to make a reading exercise. Did you check the reading in the platform?
Yes.
No. You didn't check the reading. Okay, in case that you didn't check the reading, I'm going to share it with you. Okay, that was the reading about, okay? The reading was about unusual homes.
Unusual home.
Unusual home.
Unusual.
Unusual home.
Unusual makes is not very common. It's not very common. As you see the picture, this kind of house is very strange. It's not common, right, to see this kind of houses. Okay. Okay, so then in the platform, you have this reading. And then you have to answer some questions about the reading. It says, Shusaku, Arakawa, and Medellin jeans are famous designers. Their 9 lofts near Tokyo, Japan are very colorful. The apartments are blue, pink, red, yellow, and other bright colors. Inside the walls are colorful too. The floors go up and down, and some rooms are round. The windows have strange shapes, so there are no curtains. Inside, there aren't any closets. The bookcase is in the middle of the living room. Any questions about vocabulary? So I suppose that you understand the reading. Now, Dan Phillips likes to help people. He builds houses for artists and other low-income people in Huntsville, Texas, in the United States. One house, the tree house, is a large tree in the forest. It has windows on the floor. It also has a small kitchen. The bed is on the upstairs floor. There is a wood burning stove from an old ship in the living room. Philip teaches people how to build houses with recycled materials. Questions about vocabulary?
Upstairs.
Upstairs means arriba de las escaleras o en el piso de arriba, upstairs.
It builds.
Sorry?
Builds. B-U-I-L-D-S.
Building.
Build, esta, acá, build. Build es el verbo construir. Build. Construir, ajá. So it says here, Philip teaches people how to build houses with recycled materials. Aquí nos dice que Philip le enseña a la gente cómo construir casas con materiales reciclados.
Low income y
Low
escasos
income.
recursos.
Low income es de bajos ingresos. Hablando de dinero, de ingresos económicos, cuando usted dice low income, es gente de bajos ingresos que ganan poco, ¿verdad? Ganan poco dinero.
Many people need Dan Philip in El Salvador.
Yeah, like many people here in El Salvador, we got low incomes. Yeah. Somos de bajos ingresos, muchos. Low income. Okay. Any other question? Okay.
Sheep.
No questions?
Sheep.
Sheep.
Barato.
En este caso, el sheep que aparece acá, dice es, he built there is a large tree, the stone es de un viejo barco. Acá está la palabra sheep. Sheep. Hay una estufa a leña hecha de un barco viejo. Ajá, there is a wood burning stove. Wood burning stove es una estufa a leña, ¿verdad? Hecha de un barco viejo. Made from an old ship. Okay, let's see if you remember the reading. If you remember, you have to write here, what in each house? Bed on upstairs floors, a bookcase, windows on the floor, closet, and wood burning stove.
There aren't any wood burning.
There aren't any?
There are colorful. There are.
For example, in Arakawa Engin's loft and Dan Phillips tree house. For example, in the first reading, there are colorful walls.
Colorful walls.
What else?
There are any
closets.
There aren't any closets. There is in the middle of the living room.
There is
bookcase.
Bookcase.
And that's it. You can see your answers here. There are colorful walls, there aren't any closet, and there is a bookcase in the middle of the living room. In a Dan Phillips tree house, there are
windows.
Yes, there are windows on the floor. There is a
wood burning stone.
There is a wood burning stove and there is a bed in the upstairs floor. Okay. All right, it's time to finish today's lesson. Thank you for clicking. Visit the platform, do your exercise, and see you on Monday to start this last section, section 8. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm glad to see you, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.
Wonderful.
Okay? Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, teacher.